Alright, hey everyone, TechBoost here, and welcome back to yet another video, and today is my birthday, so yeah, happy birthday to myself. I would appreciate if you would give, birthday wishes in the comments, but you do you. Anyways, I just wanted to do for this, birthday special in quotes, because I have some, channel updates, so you may notice that, my voice may sound, a bit different, perhaps, higher quality, because I actually got a new mic, specifically a Fifine Amplifone A6T, which is a USB microphone. Even though it's a super expensive mic, it's around $50ish, but it was still pretty. It's still pretty good quality from what I've tested of it so far. So yeah, also I got some headphones other stuff. You can check my Twitter if you see exactly what I got. So especially because I have a new mic now, I think I want maybe actually try to get back into streaming. I don't know what to stream, but I definitely do want to try to get back into it. Perhaps on the weekend, since I still have school stuff to go through, and I only have a few weeks until I only have a few weeks until mid June, which is summer vacation. So I'll have even more time to stream. So maybe expect more streams around the corner and higher quality higher quality voiceovers. Anyways, yeah, I'm kind of done rambling for now. So uh, yeah, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this, and see you all in the next video. Take care.